Okay, so we got this Teccpo the other day, based casual DIY. Had a good review of it, 30 odd pounds, turned up pretty quickly. This is it after it's been cleaned, just to show you the results really. It comes out pretty clean. Okay, that's a bit spattered. What did we spray? I'll come and show you. So basically we sprayed on this stuff, which was Ronseal, does what it says on the tin. Neat, didn't water it down, it went in the sprayer fine. We got the sprayer yesterday, my missus did all spraying. It was just a standard setting, so the standard nozzle she did. This is the sort of overspray you get from it. This is about 6 inches, and she sprayed these in situ using the spray pattern that goes that way and going back and forth a few times. It's got into the grooves, which is pretty good, and then she put the spot on the top, so the spot pattern on this bit here, so you lose about that much on the bottom of it. We used 1 tin, so these are the top pieces of the decking that she's done, and they're going to go on here in a minute. And here's the in situ spray. So you see again the amount you lose there. Put my hand in, so that's a 6 inch, not that much overspray when you consider. Didn't really do much on the plants, which is good. And oh yeah, that's the only other problem I can see with it. Obviously it picks up the, when you're pushing the air, it will pick up the sand and blow that, so the air spray doesn't work so well there. But other than that, I think the coverage is pretty good. That's pooling on top of the water, so it's doing its job. She used the spot on top here, the fan pattern like that, and went a few times across, back and forth. It was really quite quick. Outside it doesn't make that much noise. There's the spray out there. We bitumened the back of these things, so you can probably see it's black down the back. Did that by hand, and then this spraying was so much easier. So I'll come out, but this is the old rotten wood that was down there for 18 years. That didn't have any treatment on the back. It was normal treatment, no extra treatment. So I'm getting older, and the idea is by doing it this way, hopefully I won't have to do this again. So we've made a little box to go in here. I'll just put that in. Hang on. Yeah, so the box goes in there, and then we just got these top bits to put on top. Let's just lay them on loosely. Okay, so there it is sprayed. You see the grains come out quite nicely. Oh, we haven't done that, but yeah, that's right. I remember what we're going to do now. So you see this back bit's been done, and we're going to put it in like this. Oops. And this bit should go there like so. There we are. Nice. Look at that piece of precision cutting. And then she'll spray this bit here, give it one last pass over here. So that's the idea. I won't put a piece here, but the other pieces that go along there, screw onto there with a bit of glue, just to hold. It's more a decorative top, yeah, and it just holds back the borders. That's the plan. I think the spray gun did really well. Plants don't obviously look sprayed, and the floor a little bit of squeeze out, that's fine, a little overspray, but it's absolutely good, yeah. Just in time before the thunderstorm, so I think that spray gun worked really well, and the wood looks good from Jubilee timber, so good stuff. Just as a final comparison, I guess, I mean, it's maximum 1 board overspray per board, but I mean it's more like about half. But compared to painting by hand, it's so much quicker. Not that noisy outside. Wear a mask, of course. I'm pretty pleased with that. Here it is. This is what I was saying. We're gonna spray the front there to take that white off. I think I'm gonna glue that in place with sealant or whatever. Rather, normally I screw into it, but I think I'm not gonna, because every time you make a hole in it, you're letting a bit of water in there. Yeah, it needs a bit more. You can see like the white there, so it needs to be sprayed from this angle to get it in there. But a lot easier than painting by hand, and it's quicker rather. It's easier actually. So yeah, that's pretty good. That's what's going to happen. It's going to go in like that, and she's happy with the deck. I'm happy. That was my holiday used up, but keep people happy. And yeah, maybe a little bit of coverage down the bottom. I might put another piece of wood in the bottom there, maybe blanket off there, but it doesn't really need it. It's holding it back, it's doing its job. Some nice shade plants down there. You can still open the gate to get in and out. Might spray the gate, actually I put that in the previous video. So yeah, I think it's looking quite good. Then it's time to chop this up a bit, take it down a dump or burn it. Anyway, thank you for watching.